Hello and welcome to this class. On this class, we'll be talking about UTME questions, and this will be the number 28. Now, on this question, it deals on matrix. The question says that given the matrix A is equal to this 2 by 2 matrix, find the inverse of the matrix. Now, let's move to action. Now, I want you to remember, if you are given a 2 by 2 matrix and you are asked to find the inverse, you are asked to find the inverse. Now, the inverse will be equal to 1 over the determinant. 1 over the determinant multiplied by, now this 6 will move to this side, while this 3 comes to this side. We have 6 here, and then we have 3 here. Then this one we have minus, while this one we have also minus. So minus 2 is 2. Then here will be minus 1. Then here now you multiply them. Now what is the determinant? Determinant of this very question. Now the determinant is equal to, determinant will be equal to 3 times 6 minus it's minus and it's minus 2 times 1. So this will be equal to 3 times 6 is what? 3 times 6 is 18. So that minus 2 times 1 is minus 2. Minus times minus is plus, so this is plus what? 2 equals 18 plus 2 is 20. So 20 will be here, right? So 20 will be there. We have 1. The inverse now will be equal to 1 over 20 because we found it here. Multiply by this matrix 6 minus 1, 2, and then 3. This will be equal to this 1 over 20 multiplied by 6 will give me 6 over 20. 1 over 2 multiplied by 2 will give me 2 over 20. 1 over 6, 1 over 20 divided by minus 1 will give me minus 1 over 20. Then 1 over 20 multiplied by 3 will give me 3 over 20. Right? So this will be equal to, now bring this to this lowest term. Bring it to this lowest term. 2 here is 3. 2 here is what? 10. Right? So we have 3 over 10. 2 here is 1. 2 here is 10. Right? As 2 divided by 2 is 1. 20 divided by 2 is 10. So we have 1 over 10. And here we 1 over 20. And then 3 over 20. So this is the inverse of this very question here. I believe you enjoyed this class. If you enjoy it, please like and follow for more of these questions. Thank you.
Subscribe for more of this kind of content. Thank you.